Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily What Sold video. The continuing saga that I haven't listed for well over 2 months. I haven't sent offers for quite a while. In fact, let me check something real quick. Yeah, I have 224 offers that I can send. So, yeah, definitely haven't sent any for several days. So, I will send some here in a little bit. But again, yeah, 7 orders, $100. And half of that is not postcards. So we'll get into it. This is Alama. Ala,
Alamogordo. Alamogordo.
Postcard, New Mexico, Alamogordo, Alameda Park, 1909, View I-5.
That probably doesn't work very well. Anyway, this place in New Mexico, 1909. RPO cancel, $6 on a best offer. Next, here's the pretty much half my sales. 1960s Disneyland Records, 33 RPM LP, Small World, Cinderella, Red Riding Hood. All these are sealed with some of their original price stickers. Picked these up at, I think it was at a Goodwill for maybe $1 a record. This was years ago, and I just finally listed them within the last several months. But yeah, sold for $50. Not bad. I'll take it. Lemon. No, it's kind of close. It's Lemoyne. Lemoyne.
Lemoyne.
Lemoyne, Pennsylvania. Trinity Evangelical, my goodness. Lutheran Church. That's why you guys show up every morning, to see how many words I can butcher. $4.99. If you make it a drinking game, you're probably plastered before you get to work. Miami, Florida, Mike Gordon Seafood Restaurant, Cape Cod on Biscayne. Biscayne Bay, I should say. There's the back. Card that's been up for 7, 8, 9 years. $6.99. Next, Native American tribe, Ute tribe. Pedro. It is Pedro. And $6.99 on a best offer. Next, we have Royal Oak, Maryland, front view of Pasadena Inn. 1940s. There's that. Next, we have Trenton, New Jersey, Scene, Interstate Fair, Candy Kitchen tent. There's Candy Kitchen. Like I said, always look to the background for keywords. And put all that in there. Probably should have put flags in there. Maybe some Ferris wheel if I would have had room. $8 on a best offer. And reminder today, noon Eastern. We're going to do Matthew Kirsch cards by choice. Going to have 10 or so lots of postcards I've already curated. And that'll be at 12 noon. We'll probably do all of these lots here first, get those done, and then do choice. I've never done choice before, so we'll see how long that takes and how that works out. And after that, hang around for a while. We'll maybe slowly work through some boxes and see what type of trouble we can get. Run requests. So if you guys have any requests, we'll try to figure that out. Get these Queen Elizabeth cards before it's too late. Get them and get them listed. And what else do we got going on today? Real quick, if you've tried going to the Metro Postcard, that informational site, Metropolitan, you used to get to it, Metropolitan Postcard Club, but it goes to actually Metro Postcard. And I was on Sunnyside Postcards, WhatNot last night, and he is the vice president of the Metropolitan Postcard Club. So I asked him, because the last couple of days I couldn't get to the site, and when I searched Metropolitan Postcard Club, it comes up Metropolitan Postcard Club. But remember, there used to be all these links right across here to publishers and topics and all that stuff. That it's gone. He said that this site and the old site, two separate entities. He said he didn't even know that, so I found that very interesting. So hopefully Metro Postcard Club comes back, and all that information, all that wonderful information. Hopefully it's just some type of server error. But yeah, as of right now, all that great information is not out there. So I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if you can get to it through the Wayback Machine thingy, but I just want to bring that to everybody's attention. So there you go. Talked about what sold, talked about WhatNot, and talked about Metro Postcard information. Okay. Hope to see you this afternoon. If not, hope you have a great day. Hope your sales are wonderful, and we'll see you tomorrow.